Action is pouring in tonight to the City Commission's planned vote on that controversial legislation. Our Annette Peagler continues our team coverage tonight. She went to the streets to get your take on the issue, and she found people on both sides of the debate.
As commissioners plan to come out against stand your ground legislation tomorrow, supporters like Larry Moore with the Buckeye Firearm Association want them to take another look at the details surrounding the law.
If the Dayton City Commission pursues a resolution opposing stand your ground, that it may be out of a lack of thorough understanding of the law and how it functions. I know a lot of black community leaders have opposed it.
Many local faith-based leaders, including Bishop McGuire of the Powder House in Dayton, are against bringing a stand your ground law to Ohio. In fact, they've even started petitioning. Bishop McGuire said his camp will be at the commission meeting tomorrow to support commissioners.
It could in any case become explosive. We're not talking about taking psychological profiles. We're not talking about proper training. We're not talking about experienced shooters.
The general public is even torn on the issue.
It allows them to protect themselves if they have to. That's what they're for. That's what mine's for.
That law will bring more violence than anything because people would say they're using self-defense and it wouldn't be.
Because there's already enough guns out here. There's already enough guns on the street.
People who oppose stand your ground say the gun violence in Dayton is one of the main reasons why they don't want the law here.
You live by the sword, you die by the sword, and we just want to be very careful of the extension and the excessive opportunity that we give to people in the handling of firearms.
In Dayton, Annette Peagler, ABC 22 News.
Other folks concerned about stand your ground are meeting right now in Dayton, and Liza Danver takes us there.
I'm Liza Danver in West Dayton, where a community group is coming together to encourage young men to avoid life-threatening conflict. Coming up tonight on ABC 22 News at 11, we get this group's take on gun control in Ohio and ask them whether or not they think the state should enact its own version of the Stand Your Ground law.
All right, Liza, thank you. And that brings us to our question of the day. Would a city resolution opposing the Stand Your Ground law sway your opinion on a proposed law statewide? Let us know on our website at abc22now.com or on facebook.com/ABC22Dayton.